In this video, we're going to provide the solution to this question. If x plus 1 over x is equals to 3, find the value of x to the power of 5 plus 1 over x to the power of 5. Now, we are not going to find the value of x, and we are not going to make use of binomial theorem. So explore with me. Please, the only way you can support me is by subscribing to this YouTube channel, liking this video, and sharing it with your friends. Alright, let's start. We are given x plus 1 over x is equals to 3. Then let's call this equation 1. The next thing we're going to do is to square both sides. So we have x plus 1 over x squared equals to 3 squared. And then we know that a plus b squared is equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We're going to apply this to the left hand side of this equation. So here a is x, b is 1 over x. So here we have a squared, so it's going to be a squared, then plus we have 2ab, so it's going to be 2 times x times 1 over x. So I have 2 times x times 1 over x, then plus b squared, which is 1 over x squared, plus 1 over x squared all square equals to 3 squares equals to 9. So we are going to have x squared plus this x and this x will cancel. We'll be left with only 2. Then plus 1 square is equals to 1 over x square is simply x square. Then this is equals to 9. So we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. So we have x square plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 over x square equals to 9 minus 2. So we're going to have x square, 2 minus 2 will be 0. We will be left with plus 1 over x square equals to 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. And then this will form our equation 2. So let's multiply equation 1 and equation 2. We're going to have x plus 1 over x multiplied by equation 2, x squared plus 1 over x squared. Then equals to, we have 3 times 7 is 21. So let's FOIL. X times x squared is going to give us x cubed, then plus we have x times 1 over x squared. Let me just write it as x times 1 over x squared, then plus 1 over x times x squared, 1 over x times x squared, then plus 1 over x times 1 over x squared. So this is going to give us 1 times 1 is 1, x times x squared is x cubed. So this is equals to 21. So we have x cubed plus, now this x will cancel one of this x here, we'll be left with 1 over x, then plus 1 over x times x squared. This x will cancel one of this, we'll be left with x, then we have plus 1 over x cubed equals to 21. So we have x cubed plus, now we have 1 over x plus x. So notice that this 1 over x plus x is the same thing as x plus 1 over x, which is equals to 3. So I'm going to replace this with 3. We have 3 here. Then we have plus 1 over x cubed equals to 21. So we have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed equals to 21 minus 3 is equals to 18. Now let's call this our equation 3. Now notice that the power of this one is 3 and the power of this is 2. when you multiply the both, you get x to the power of 5. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to multiply equation 2 and equation 3. So we're now going to have s cubed plus 1 over s cubed multiplied by s squared plus 1 over x squared equals to 18 multiplied by 7. So you have s cubed times s squared is going to give us x to the power of 5. Then s cubed multiplied by 1 over s squared, we have plus s cubed multiplied by 1 over x squared, then plus 1 over s cubed multiplied by s squared, I have 1 over s cubed multiplied by s squared, then plus 1 over s cubed multiplied by 1 over x squared. This one will give us 1 over x to the power of 5. Now all of this will be equals to 18 times 7 is equals to 126. So we're going to have x to the power of 5 plus, now this x squared will cancel 2x is here, and then we'll be left with only x, then plus s squared will cancel 2 of the x's here, we'll be left with 1 over x, then now have plus 1 over x to the power of 5. Then all of this will be equals to 126. So you have x to the power of 5 plus x plus 1 over x is this question we're given, and it is equals to 3. So I'm going to replace it with 3. Then we have plus 1 over x to the power of 5 equals to 126. And we have x to the power of 5 plus 1 over x to the power of 5 equals to 126 minus 3. So we have x to the power of 5 plus 1 over x to the power of 5 is equals to 126 minus 3 is 123. And so this is the answer to this question. Thank you for watching. Hope you love this solution. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.